mark down here, we're going to be looking at delete and backspace, because a lot of person delete and start with backspacing, a lot of person backspacing and start then deleting. All right, there's a difference between these two here, right? So I'm going to be looking at the difference. All right, first we're going to be looking at delete. So I'm going to put the cursor at the beginning, right here. You notice the cursor at the beginning? So if the cursor is at the beginning, right, and I press the delete key, you notice might disappear. All right, let me put it back again. So if I press delete, eventually I see my go off. But if I put the cursor right at the end right here, and I press delete, you notice nothing move? Yes, so if I want to delete, you have to put the cursor at the beginning. So backspace now. I'm going to put the cursor right here at the beginning. I'm going to press the backspace. You notice I press the backspace is going up instead. It said that backspace. All right, now I'm going to put the cursor at the end, and I'm going to backspace. You notice? Yeah, so that's what make the difference. When you're going to delete a character, you have to put the cursor right here up front. If you want to delete it one by one, but if you want to delete it everything one time, you have to block it, right? So when you put the cursor right here at the beginning, and you press the delete key, you notice, basically, delete it, right? If you want to backspace it, you have to put the cursor right here. If you have the cursor up front, it won't backspace. So you have to put it right here. So if you want to backspace, the cursor must be on the right. If you want to delete, the cursor must be on the left. Very important. So if you have learned something from